LaunchJack Dominator review. Hi there, and thanks for tuning in. If you've ever stayed up all night writing reviews, only to see zero results, this video is for you. I'm about to show you a smarter, faster way to compete with the top affiliates. Also, you can try it before you buy. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. What is LaunchJack Dominator? It's more than a tool. It's a complete system designed for affiliates who want results without burnout. From SEO-friendly reviews to platform-specific assets, it helps you launch campaigns quickly and show up everywhere your audience is searching. Whether you're new or experienced, it removes the barriers of time, tech, and traffic so you can finally compete with confidence.
Hello and welcome to my LaunchJack Dominator Quick Start video. After you logged in or created your account, just click here on Complete Setup. You can enter your coupon code if you have one here. Choose Invoke LLM. If you don't want to add your own API key, I suggest to use ChatGPT 4 or 5 or OpenRouter, Gemini or Grok. I will add Cloud too. For image generation, use OpenAI and make sure to switch to ChatGPT 4o image. Choose medium here. Save this. Of course you need your OpenAI API key. For written content you don't need this, but if you want to create images you will need this key. Then go to content profile, give it a name. You can add your landing page and the description of your offer. You can choose a language, and if SEO or AI is the focus, you add a name here. This is important to get really good output. If you don't enter something here, it's fine still, but this really makes a difference. And to make this easy, you just have to fill out these 4 fields. So this is filled. So here's the info and here's the writing style. You can choose one from these, or you can click here and define your own writing style, or click here, paste your article and generate it with AI. Finally, you can add words you don't want to use in this section. This all is linked to your content profile here. So save the profile and then you can go to the Launch Studio, choose your profile here, create a project, and then you just fill out this form, the sales page content or another description, your link and the name, and you just click here. Here we have all the information. You can edit if you want. You can also add a custom prompt here before you generate and bonus information. After this is generated, you can choose the assets you want to create. Here is a Gamma prompt to create a slideshow on Gamma. Here are infographic prompts. After they are generated, you can turn them into an image in the next step. And if you have custom templates enabled, you can get them here. We use for now just a few. I don't create all yet now, as this takes 10-15 minutes to create all at once. So I recommend to create 3, pick the best, post it to your main site, and while you're doing this, the software can create the other assets you want to have. So now they are generated. You can view them on below here. This is the first one. It looks not bad. This is a FAQ style article. They tend to convert very well. And this is a blogger post or blog post. Looks also very well. You always need to do some changes and to format it a little bit, add some images maybe, but the content is done. Now you can get to the content library. You can download all files here or all files from the entire project, or you can edit here, can rewrite here, can create social posts here. Here you can create a featured image. Make sure to choose this one best. So here is the image you can directly use, and 2 CTA images you can use inside the article. So that's it. This is the fastest way to create content. Here you can switch on and off your writing style and so on. If you have a main offer in your profile, you can do this here too. So it's really easy and fast to use this to create content. We have video scripts here, press release. They work very well in driving traffic, but send the traffic not to the sales page, but to your blog for best results. In the next video I will show you how to use the custom template features and how to create your own template. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I hope you understand how LaunchJack Dominator does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the LaunchJack Dominator at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now, let's see the OTOs of LaunchJack Dominator. First, we have already seen the LaunchJack Dominator front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is a dual option upgrade. Dual option upgrade offers two paths: Pro with 5,000 monthly credits, custom templates, and advanced research, or unlimited for unrestricted content creation and limitless campaign scaling. Second OTO is Bonus Studio add-on. Bonus Studio enables rapid bonus creation with descriptions, images, and reusable database entries. Build complete bonus pages instantly, fill product gaps, and reuse assets across multiple promotions. Third OTO is Email Engine. Email Engine creates multi-part promo sequences with angles, subject line banks, personalization tokens, and built-in deliverability guardrails to maximize engagement and conversions. Lastly, the fourth OTO is Resell Rights. Resell Rights lets customers earn 100% commissions across the funnel and, optionally, host their own funnel pages for full control and profit. Now, here are 4 exclusive bonuses that you will receive from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. You've seen how powerful LaunchJack Dominator is. The longer you wait, the higher the price climbs. Act now, get instant access, and watch how quickly your campaigns transform. Claim your spot today and start generating commissions with confidence.